Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command c: and simply press enter. Then type cd space c: and hit enter. Type in cd space windows and press enter. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy ** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space c: and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcdedit space /export space c: /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now type cd space c: and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c: and simply hit enter. Now type attrib c: /boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space c: /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.